Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. Traffic on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway was suspended early Tuesday after heavy rains triggered a massive landslide in Ramban district, blocking the only all-weather road linking Kashmir with the rest of the country. Deputy Superintendent of Police Traffic Ajay Anand said the landslide struck the highway at Dalwas around 5 am, also damaging a portion of the road. Light motor vehicles from both sides was also stopped at various places due to the closure of the highway, the official said, adding the stranded vehicles would be given priority once the highway is restored. The National Investigation Agency on Tuesday filed a charge sheet in the 2019 February Pulwama terror attack case, naming terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar, his brother Abdul Rauf Azhar, slain terrorist Mohammad Umar Farooq, suicide bomber Adil Ahmed Dar and other terrorist commanders operating from Pakistan. These are apart from the 6 other accused arrested by the NIA in connection with the case. The 5,000-page long charge sheet details how the planning and execution of one of the deadliest terror attacks in Kashmir was done from Pakistan. 3 members of a family were among 4 killed in separate incidents of landslides following heavy rains in Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. Khalil Ahmed, his wife Rukhsana Begum and their relative Muhammad Aslam were killed after a landslide in upper reaches of Khor in Mahor area on Monday night. The 3 had gone to the area for cattle grazing and had set up their shelter near the mouth of a natural cave. Several of their animals were also killed in the incident. The bodies of the deceased were recovered this morning and are being handed over to their families after completion of legal formalities. Mayor JMC Chandramohan Gupta and Deputy Mayor Purnima Sharma, accompanied by Babila Rakwal, Vice Chairperson JDA, took extensive tour of Bahu Fort beautification works. After paying obeisance to Mata Bavewali, the works executed by JDA were inspected. Mayor appealed to the general public to come forward and cooperate with the JMC and other allied departments in various development activities being taken by them to make the Jammu city neat, clean and green. The Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board Jammu and Kashmir on Monday announced that online Yatra registration and helicopter booking is available from August 26th and will continue till September 5th. Pilgrimage to Mata Vaishno Devi temple resumed on August 16th, nearly 5 months after it was suspended due to COVID-19. Ramesh Kumar, Chief Executing Officer of Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board, said that devotees will not be allowed to enter the temple without a COVID-19 negative test report. Against the backdrop of the activities of the Chinese helicopters close to the line of actual control, in eastern Ladakh, Indian forces have deployed troops equipped with the shoulder-fired air defense missiles on the crucial heights there. The Russian-origin air defense systems are used by both the Indian Army and the Air Force and are supposed to be used when the enemy fighter jets or choppers come close to own locations or deployments during hostilities. The Indian side has also enhanced its surveillance through the deployment of radars and service-to-air missile systems to keep track of the enemy air movement there. Agriculture Workers and Casual Labourers Union Jammu on Tuesday held a protest demonstration regarding regularization of casual labourer, DRW, permanent daily wagers and skilled labourers in Directorate of Agriculture Krishi Bhavan Talab. A large number of casual labourers drawn from various districts of the Union Territory participated in the protest and projected their demands. They warned that the indifferent treatment meted out to these employees by the government may force them to start a massive protest. To increase economic activities and employment opportunities, the Government of India is considering to give a breather to various sectors in Unlock 4. According to the sources, the government may give some more relaxations, but its implementation in the respective states or union territories will be done on the basis of assessment conducted by state governments. So far, the government has received various suggestions for allowing local rail or metro, allowing single theatre cinema halls, auditoriums, assembly halls and similar places. But the final decision of allowing these activities is yet to be taken. A record 66,550 patients of the coronavirus disease were discharged from various hospitals across the country between Monday and Tuesday morning, taking the number of those cured to past 2.4 million according to the Union Health Ministry. India's COVID-19 total recoveries have been 2,404,585 till date, and the recovery rate climbed to 75.91% on Tuesday, but the government has attributed to effective implementation of the policy of testing aggressively, tracking comprehensively. Flows on the heels of some dissident leaders' letter to party high command demanding replacement of Ghulam Ahmad Mir as Pradesh Congress Committee Chief, a meeting was on Tuesday held in party headquarters Srinagar to discuss present political situation in the valley. However, party sources said that leaders from Kashmir Valley only were invited for the meeting, held for the first time since August 5th when the centre abrogated Article 370, besides downgrading the state and divided it into two union territories. All leaders of mainstream political parties, including Congress, were arrested or put under house arrest in the valley and Jammu. India's COVID-19 mortality rate is one of the lowest in the world at 1.58%, and active cases are only 22.2% of the total cases, Union Health Ministry said on Tuesday. Addressing a press conference here, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said that the recovered cases are 3.4 times more than the active cases and recovery rate is more than 75%.
इसी से जुड़ा हुआ जो बिंदु है वो रिकवरी का है और रिकवरी रेट इस समय 75% से अधिक हो गया है।